Ever wondered where the intersection of artificial intelligence and robotics could lead us? How these two fields, when married, can revolutionize the world as we know it? Hold on to that thought as we embark on an intriguing journey to explore the vast expanse of AI and robotics. Firstly, let's demystify what AI and robotics mean. Artificial intelligence, or AI, stands for computer systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. Robotics, on the other hand, is a field that involves the design, construction, and use of robots. These two fields are intertwined, with AI acting as the brain and robotics providing the physical embodiment to carry out tasks. Moving on, we delve into the profound impact AI and robotics have on various industries. From healthcare to manufacturing, AI and robotics are driving the automation of routine tasks, enhancing decision-making capabilities, and boosting efficiency and productivity. Real-world examples reveal how these technologies are reshaping the landscape of industries. Then, we ponder over the future of work in an AI-driven world. The essential skills for the future, the ethical considerations related to AI and robotics, and the ways to prepare for upcoming changes form the crux of this discussion. Lastly, we roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with AI and robotics. Experiments, model building, and coding sessions provide a practical perspective on these technologies. Insights and experiences from field experts add a layer of depth to our understanding. But here's a critical caveat. Despite the rapid advancements in AI and robotics, complete mechanization and complete replacement of the human workforce is unlikely in the foreseeable future. The reasons range from the variability and complexity of tasks, the need for human interaction and empathy, to ethical considerations. Yet the influence of AI and robotics continues to grow. They are automating routine tasks, enhancing decision-making, and are poised to make a significant impact on various industries. In conclusion, AI and robotics are more than just buzzwords. They are powerful tools that can drive progress, reshape industries, and redefine the future of work. But they are not without their challenges and limitations. As we continue to explore and understand these technologies, we must also prepare for their impact on our lives and work. Thank you for joining me, Ram Naresh Jha, on this enlightening journey into the world of AI and robotics. As we conclude today's session, let's recollect some significant insights we've discussed. Improved efficiency and productivity. We've seen how AI and robots, by automating routine tasks and enhancing decision-making, can significantly improve efficiency and productivity, reskilling and upskilling the workforce. We've also discussed how the rise of AI and robots necessitates workers to acquire new skills, leading to the creation of new jobs and opportunities. Overall, the future of work will likely be a collaborative effort, with humans and AI robots working together to complement each other's strengths. While well-defined, repetitive, or precision tasks may be handled by AI and robots, humans will continue to be essential for tasks requiring creativity, critical thinking, social skills, and emotional intelligence. That concludes today's session on AI Guru Jay. I hope you found it beneficial and enlightening. If you enjoyed this session and found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Your support helps us reach more people interested in AI and robotics. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and follow us for more exciting content and insightful sessions. In our upcoming series, we'll deep dive into AI and robotics, exploring advanced concepts, latest trends, cutting-edge technologies, and future directions. We'll discuss the challenges and controversies surrounding AI and robotics, and how they're being addressed. We'll present case studies of AI and robotics in industries including healthcare, education, manufacturing, transportation, and more. We'll analyze the benefits and drawbacks of these technologies and how they're transforming work and life. We'll also discuss preparing for the AI-driven future of work, the skills that'll be in demand, and how to acquire them. We'll about the opportunities and challenges AI and robotics present for the workforce. Finally, we'll conduct experiments with AI and robotics. We'll build models, write code, and invite experts to share their insights. This will give you the opportunity to apply what you've learned and gain practical experience. Your engagement and feedback help us create better content tailored to your needs. Stick with me on AI Guru Jay as we continue on this exciting journey into the world of AI and robotics. Remember, learning is a continuous process. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.